How to create an account on BeReal. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to create an account on BeReal. To create a BeReal account, you could download the app from your App Store or in Play Store. So open up your respective App Store, type in BeReal on the search bar and install the app. Once you're done installing the app, click on the open button. Now, due to some security concern, you might not be able to see the screen, but you could just follow the instruction. That means what you need is, first of all, it's going to ask you to provide in your phone number that you want to register BeReal with. So I've entered in my phone number with the respective country's code, and then you just need to tap on send verification text, which will be located at the bottom. You just need to click on that, and now BeReal is going to send you a verification code onto your SMS or through SMS, which you have to enter it right over here. So once you've entered in, you just want to click on the continue button, and moving on, you will be then asked to type in your password or create a password or create a username, all that stuff. Go ahead and follow it, and now then you've successfully created an account. Now all you need is, you can just go ahead and post your BeReal first, or post your first BeReal. That means it has a specific time in order to post, or gives you a specific times or notification. So now you could go ahead and add friends. You could explore the options available, as you could see multiple tabs available at the bottom, and this is how you could create an account on BeReal. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.